Welcome back to Explain Cat. In this tutorial, we will know about how to apply the tolerance for whole basis system. For that, I am creating this part, this 3D part. Now we will apply hole tolerance for fits. Now select here hole callout and select this hole. This is 15 dia and 30 depth. For whole basis system, we have to apply fit width tolerance from here. Here is the precision and tolerance. Select here none, and here is the option fit with tolerance. You can also apply fit only. In fit only, it will only show the values of tolerance. It will not show the which tolerance we are applying. Now here I select fit with tolerance. Here is the option H7. I apply H7 for sliding fit. Select OK. But here is the problem. Here is it only 2 decimal points. I select this, and here is the option 3 decimal points. Select OK. Now it's right. This is 3 decimal point, and this is the whole basis system. Tolerance H7 for sliding fit. Similarly, we have a shaft, and we will apply tolerance on this shaft. And here is the option smart dimension. I select this, right click, select option. You can also apply fit bed tolerance from here. Tolerance type, select it. Fit with tolerance. You can also input right here. Now it is the shaft basis system. In previous part, we are applying hole fit tolerance here. Now for shaft basis, here we will apply on shaft fit. Select this, and in shaft basis system we are using small alphabets. I am applying here G6 tolerance. Select OK. Now it is not showing its value for G6. Select here and G6. Now again it is only showing 2 decimal points. So we are using 3 decimal points. Select it, and here is the option 3 decimal points. Select OK. So this is the tutorial for shaft basis and hole basis tolerance fits. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain Cat.